Okay, let's be real for a minute. How many of you have been there? You meet a woman, she seems genuinely interested, maybe even excited. You like her a lot, so you lean in. You text back immediately. You remember every little detail she tells you. You plan dates, offer to help with things, shower her with compliments. Basically, you put her on a pedestal and show her exactly how much you want her attention. And then the slow fade begins. The texts become less frequent. The enthusiasm dips. She starts seeming just less interested. It's frustrating, right? You're doing everything, right? Being attentive, considerate, showing you care. So what gives? Why is it when you show too much interest with a woman, they will start to lose interest in you? It feels counterintuitive, doesn't it? We're taught that people like attention. We're told to be proactive, to pursue what we want. But in the realm of attraction, sometimes too much pursuit can actually backfire spectacularly. It's not about her being fickle or playing games, though some do. It's rooted in deeper psychological principles, things related to primal instincts, social dynamics, and how humans perceive value. Let's break it down. There are several layers at play here. Layer 1, the chase and the reward. Think back to our evolutionary roots. For millennia, men were the pursuers, women were the choosers. It wasn't about being unfair, it was about reproductive strategy. Women needed to be selective. They invested more biologically in offspring. A man who showed too much eagerness too quickly might have seemed less resourceful, less valuable. Like he had nothing better going on than just wanting her. That instinct hasn't completely disappeared. The chase is still part of the attraction equation. It's not about making her work tirelessly for your affection, but about allowing a little bit of healthy pursuit to unfold. When you immediately lay all your cards on the table, you remove the element of discovery, the intrigue, the feeling that she needs to earn your attention, even just a little bit. The reward feels less satisfying when it's handed to her on a silver platter. Layer 2, perceived value and scarcity. We value things more when they're slightly scarce. Think about limited edition sneakers or a coveted concert ticket. The harder something is to get, the more we want it. When you're constantly available, always eager to please, and showering her with attention, you inadvertently signal that your time and affection aren't particularly valuable. You become predictable. You blend into the background of other potential suitors who might be a little more challenging to win over. It's not about playing hard to get for the sake of it. It's about demonstrating that you have a life, interests, and value independent of her. Layer 3, the friend zone, trap. This is a big one. When you act more like a supportive friend than a potential romantic partner, she starts to categorize you as just that, a friend. You're providing comfort and validation without the spark of attraction. You're filling the role of someone who's nice rather than someone who's desirable. Think about it. What do friends do? They listen, they offer advice, they are reliably available. Those are great qualities. But if those are the only qualities you're projecting, she might start seeing you as a fantastic friend, but not necessarily a fantastic boyfriend. You need to inject an element of playful challenge, flirtation, and romantic tension. Layer 4, the assumption of approval. When you're constantly seeking her approval, asking, "Do you like this restaurant?" Or "Is this outfit okay?" Or "Are you having fun?" You're essentially outsourcing your own confidence to her. You're looking to her to validate your choices and your worth. While it's nice to be considerate, constant validation seeking can come across as insecure. It subtly communicates that you need her approval to feel good about yourself. A woman is attracted to a man who knows his own mind, who's comfortable in his own skin, and who doesn't need her to complete him. Okay, so we've identified the problem. Now let's talk about how to fix it. It's not about becoming aloof or playing mind games. It's about recalibrating your approach and embodying a more attractive energy. Here's what you need to do. 1. Embrace balanced investment. Think of attraction as an investment. You want to invest in her, but she needs to be investing back at roughly the same rate. If you're consistently putting in 80% of the effort while she's contributing 20%, something is off. Pay attention to the reciprocity. Is she initiating texts, suggesting dates, showing genuine curiosity about your life. If not, dial it back a bit. Actionable step. Next time you text her, wait for her to respond before sending another message. Don't double text incessantly. Let her have space to initiate sometimes. 2. Cultivate your own life. And show it. This is huge. A man with a rich and fulfilling life is inherently more attractive. What are your passions? What hobbies do you enjoy? What goals do you enjoy? What goals are you working towards? Don't make her the center of your universe. She should be a part of your already awesome universe. Actionable step. Schedule activities that you genuinely enjoy, even if she's not involved. Talk about these things with enthusiasm when you see her. Show her that you have a life beyond trying to impress her. 3. Master the art of strategic disappearance. This doesn't mean playing games. It means creating a little bit of mystery and allowing her to wonder what you're up to. Don't be constantly available at a moment's notice. Actionable step. If she asks if you're free on Saturday, don't immediately say, yes. Say something like, let me check my schedule. I have a few things going on. This subtly communicates that your time is valuable and that you have options. 4. Shift. From seeking approval to offering value. Instead of constantly asking her what she thinks, share your own opinions and perspectives confidently. Be playful, tease her gently, in a good-natured way, and challenge her intellectually. Actionable step. Next time you're on a date, instead of asking, do you like this movie? Say something like, I'm really enjoying the cinematography in this film. It reminds me of, share your own experience, and invite her to share hers, but don't need her validation. 5. Flirt with intent and inject romantic tension. Don't be afraid to show her your attracted tension. Compliment her specifically, not just, you're beautiful. Try. That dress really brings out your eyes. Make eye contact and use playful touch. Actionable step. Next time you see her, give her a genuine compliment that goes beyond the superficial. And don't be afraid to escalate physical touch slowly, a light touch on the arm, a lingering hug. 6. Embrace imperfection and be authentically you. Trying too hard to impress someone often leads to inauthenticity. Relax, be yourself, and let your personality shine through. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability within reason. It makes you more relatable and human. Actionable step. Stop trying to be the perfect man for her. Embrace your quirks, your flaws, and your passions. She'll appreciate the real you far more than a carefully constructed facade. Ultimately, it's about shifting from being a pursuer who is desperate for approval to being a confident, self-assured man who offers value and allows her to choose you. It's not about making her work hard. It's about creating a dynamic where attraction can naturally unfold. Remember, she wants to feel like she's discovering something special, that you're a little bit of a challenge, and that winning your attention is worth the effort. Show her you have a life, show her you're confident, and show her you're genuinely interested, but don't give it all away at once. The paradox of pursuit isn't about playing games, it's about understanding human psychology and creating a dynamic that allows attraction to flourish. Go out there, be yourself, and let her come to you. You deserve someone who appreciates the full package, not just the eager suitor you present when you show too much interest. Now go get 'em.